Timeless music, feel-good music. These days in Kigali, a band has been trying to recreate the magic.
Never gonna dance again. Guilty feet has got no reason. Though it says it's everything. No, you're not a fool. And I should have better than a cheating friend. The rest is just that I've been given.
At Hotel des Mille Collines each Sunday, the Sound of Hills band performs a string of hits as the hotel's clientele enjoys the Kempinski brunch.
Sometimes I see a bus outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for?
When it comes to choosing a playlist, how does the band go about it on a weekly basis?
Everybody's gonna like blues. You know, not everybody's gonna like souls. Not everyone is gonna like, R&B. So you need to be able to catch everyone.
Now, does that mean that all is great when it comes to the music scene in Rwanda?
I haven't really taken music to a bigger level, so I can't say right now that I've had a bigger challenge so far. But I believe maybe in the future. But as for now, because I haven't made a bigger step, maybe to go outside there, because I'm just performing with a band at the moment. In June, we perform with other people, so it gives me comfort because I'm with other people. I'm not alone.
Being passionate about music and wanting to share that passion is one thing, but what are the goals and aspirations of some of the band's members?
Most of the time when you're playing with people who love what you're doing, who like you, people who appreciate what you do, it motivates you, and it makes you feel like you're in there, you're clicking very well with the crowd and connecting with them.
One thing is for sure, as the late, great Bob Marley once said, when music hits you, you feel no pain.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.